Isaac has June syndrome, a disorder that affects every bone in the body. It makes all the long bones in the body shorter. It makes his rib cage smaller than your average child. At first, they didn't know what it was. He was breathing fast, he was pale, his lungs kept collapsing. They didn't know what was wrong, so they sent him up to the University of Iowa Children's Hospital from here in Davenport. Of course, by the time we got to Iowa City, they already had like 3 possible diagnoses of what it could have been. He had a full body x-ray, ultrasounds of everything, and it was reassuring because by the time we got there, we had some kind of answers, where here we didn't have any.
I originally saw Isaac on consultation after he was born because he presented with breathing problems and he had a small chest. And he also had some additional findings of limb shortening and enlarged head size. And we had obtained a number of tests to figure out why he was presenting with these findings and diagnosed him with June syndrome. Also in the neonatal period, Isaac was found to have some narrowing of his cervical spine and had to have surgery for that and did well after that.
Dr. Kepler, from the beginning, you could tell she was invested in this. She wanted to figure out what was going on with our son almost as much, if not more, than we did.
She made it seem like she was just working on our child, which was incredible. The best place for him was the University of Iowa because they had a bunch of different doctors with a bunch of different specialties that could all look at him at one time. I think Isaac now, compared to then, is a totally different person. He's doing fantastic now. University of Iowa Children's Hospital means life. It means good care. It means they're going to get the best care that they can get.
Their level of care just doesn't even stop with the kids as well. They're wonderful to the adults. You can't put a price on that. And you can't tell other people enough how great it is. It really is. Thank you doesn't really cut it, because how do you thank somebody for saving the life of your child?
Thanks for taking time out of your life to help us live a life.